I remember you said that you're switching out from the old consulate to the new consulate with no price difference. Did that maintain or did that change?
It's cheaper here.
It's cheaper?
Yeah.
Well, on behalf of the beautiful people of Jamaica,
Yes.
I'd like to say to you thank you so much.
Oh, you're quite
For getting
welcome.
us this great value, you know?
You're quite welcome.
Big value for us.
You're quite welcome.
Yeah.
Just the space right there, there's a reason why you should remember that space, right? Okay. Come on.
Oh, we're going to the elevator?
Yes, we are.
How are you liking your new home here, PG?
It's much better than where we were before. It lends itself to more room, space for our clients.
Big wall here.
Yes. Isn't this beautiful? Yes. So this floor here is our permanent mission. The entire floor is the permanent mission. And this floor is completed. And we hope to have a launch really soon. Oh, there's another floor. I don't think I was playing. All right, this way, this way, this way. You guys thought I was playing. So this whole floor is Jamaica, and then next. You can come back and take a picture. We're going to the fifth floor and the fifth floor. So the third floor is completed. The fourth is, we still have a lot to do. We haven't received our furniture yet, carpeting and so forth, but we're trying our best to host event. Okay. Now we're on the fifth floor. And
this is where they come for passport renewal?
No, sir, downstairs.
Okay.
This is executive floor.
Oh, okay.
And we will carpet up here soon. Oh, by the way, you notice that now we have keys? Yeah. We didn't have that before. All right. That's part of my cybersecurity life. Right. So all here will be carpeted. Gavin, you recall that this furniture is the furniture I donated to the consulate in 2012, and I'm going to now get rid of it because I was getting rid of it in 2012 when I donated it to the consulate. And here. All right. So here we have office spaces. Over here is our research. This is going to be our research center, where we're going to get information from Jamaica, from JIS specifically. We'll set up this room where over there is Pix11. If Pix11 wants to find out some sort of information about Herb McKinley or I don't know, Bustamante or Michael Manley, they will come here. And I'm going to have, this is a research, and then everything will be on the monitor.
Wow.
Yes.
Vision.
Yes, and these are offices. JAMPRO, this is our investment office. If you want to invest in Jamaica.
Where my office is going to be?
Soon. Out here will be what we call WeWorks. You just ask where your office is going to be. WeWorks is going to be here. There'll be 2 tables here, one here and one over there, that will be able to seat about 8 persons per table. Your laptop, the tables will have the the plugs for the monitors, USB, and all of that stuff, right? And over here is, we're still unpacking. the office for assistant, but I don't have an assistant. I send the assistant downstairs to help with passport. So I'm managing up here by myself. So that's why.
That's your office. This is your office.
No, that's my assistant, but I don't have one. My assistant, I sent her downstairs.
Okay.
So I have one coming next week.
This is your office.
Yes, this is my office. Oh, wait a second, I'll lock it up. I'll lock it up.
You jumped in the gun here.
I looked to my right, sorry. Okay, don't look at mine.
All right. So I'm very proud of this office. I designed this office so that the next Consul General that's coming to replace me will be comfortable if it's a male. The reason why I did the blue-gray wallpaper and the blue-gray paint is just in case that it's a male, he will feel okay, and if it's a female, we'll have all our furniture that will also be comfortable for female.
I was just about to ask a question. You haven't even moved in, but you're leaving already?
Because I'm going to be here 5 years soon. I've done a lot. It's time. Oh, and we.
Leave, right?
Yes.
That's the point.
Back here we have a little, because we do a lot of events after work. So I came up doing the design with an idea to put a little shower in here.
Nice.
So because I used to have to go home to New Jersey and shower and coming back in the traffic.
Makes sense.
So I came up now. I just shower and bring get the dress, bring the dress, and yes, ma'am. Hold on. And this, you see this desk here? This is part of the furniture that I donated here. And the reason why I want you guys to come up is because I'm gonna give you buns. It's Easter. Jasmine? Yes. So it's Easter. Right?
I'm the first one to get one?
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it. Whoa.
We'll have some stuff on here.
I need a picture. I need you to give me, shake one hand,
Oh.
and me next one.
Oh.
I need a whole picture for
No,
right? For this
rolling.
way. You rolling? Okay.
Nice. Easter bun, right?
It's a bun.
Right.
Yes.
All right. Thank you. Happy official.
That's when
Thank
you get
you.
it done. That's the reason why you get it done.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I love buns. Happy Easter.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
I do, with bun and cheese. What are you
Yes.
talking about?
Happy Easter. I have a piece of cheese in here, but
The cheese there. All right, Sandra, your
well,
turn.
I have to say, Michael, Michael, of course, is the person that I normally call. I'm very particular. Jasmine knows this about me, and Michelle knows this about me. I am just a person that is about my business. I'm a former investment banker, so I'm a person that is about my business. Hard worker. I believe that hard work has never killed anybody, and it will not kill anyone. And I really don't indulge in gossip, wasting time, but I'm a very good giver. So, here we go.
Nice, lovely. Take a picture.
Wait, it matches her.
Take it in. You got it. Okay, nice. All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Ready for you. But I'm gonna give you. Well, I have something for you.
Thank you, darling. You're the best.
Yes.
Lovely.
Wait, just 1 second. 1 second. Come, baby.
Whoa! Down the flip, the bread.
Thank you. It's time for you to
Nice.
go to bed.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah,
I
that's
get
what
it.
he tells me.
Nice.
Look down here. You see down here?
Right, that's what? 42nd Street.
This is no. Well, we're all on 42nd Street.
Right.
The main reason why I selected this location is because Grand Central is right there,
Right. So
and
So the Jamaicans can walk
Yes.
to the location.
You are so smart.
Right.
Yes. They
Right.
can walk to the location.
Both sides. They can
right
take
there.
the shuttle across. if
No,
they're
they
on
don't
the
need to
side.
take anything. Right there.
I'm saying if they're on the east side,
Yes.
the west side, they can take the shuttle over.
Yes. Yes.
Wow,
yes.
that was strategic.
Yes. Yes. You ready?
It's a much better location. Definitely.
Yes. Thank you.
Look here.
Oh, over there.
What do you mean?
No. This is our conference. This is
It's a big space.
well. This is a conference room for the office. So when we have, if we have a big event that's going on downstairs, you know, forum, conferences or so forth, that will not prohibit us from having
So having another event
meetings.
here.
Right. Now I'm very particular about this wall map. Now this wall map was in my office at Greylock Capital, and you recall that Greylock Capital is where my hedge fund. And so when I gave this furniture to the Consul General Lamont, he actually saw that map and asked, could he have it? And I said yes, and I gave it to him. When I was appointed in 2019, and I got to the office, the map was actually leaned up in a corner at the old office behind that crescent, and I said, what? And so,
You framed it.
no, it's the same
Oh, it was
frame.
already framed.
Yes, and so Christopher Benjamin said, CG, we'll take it to the new office. I actually was going to take it back, but then I found out that I couldn't take it back because I already had donated it to the government of Jamaica. So we put it here, and I'm hoping that persons from that building is looking in and can see this map. So I really like that. But let me show you my prize. That's not my prize. No. No. Here is my prize.
Oh my gosh, it's a little narrow room here.
I found that
Jamaica.
when I was cleaning out
Right.
all the garbage to move. I found that. Remember the space I showed you downstairs?
Oh, that's where you.
That's where this is going.
That's why I say to remember that space.
That's why I said remember that
Right,
space.
remember that.
So that is going in the space downstairs. And that's the prize. Huh? Yeah. Thank you. And this is an office. If you're here, Michelle, you can come borrow it.
Okay, I will.
Yeah. So here will be carpeted. The whole of this floor will be carpeted when, once the 4th floor is done.
What's the timetable for the whole project to be completed?
I think by the end of May.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we can do a ribbon cutting and you all can come and you're gonna cater. Okay. There's a little bathroom over here. Yeah. And then over here we have our reception area. And this is the reception area. This piece of furniture again came from, oh yes, in 2012. I was throwing them out. And Herman Lamont came and took them, so thank God that he did. So this is the reception area, and we hope to we have 2 receptionists. We receive 1,200 calls per day, so hopefully we'll get another person. 1,200 calls per day, yes, it is a lot. Yes. So that's it for the tour.
Amazing.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Yeah. So out here will be carpeted, right? And and I need the painting, and we need some artists. We need artwork.
So I remember you said that you're switching out from the old consulate to the new consulate with no price difference. Did that maintain or did that change?
It's cheaper here.
It's cheaper.
Yeah.
Well, on behalf of the beautiful people of Jamaica,
Yes.
I'd like to say to you thank you so much.
Oh, you're quite
For getting
welcome.
us this great value,
You're quite welcome.
Big value for us.
You're quite welcome.
Yeah, you've
Yes.
delivered. So you also said that the Jamaican flag was going to be flying outside.
On the outside of the building, we had to wait for the permit. We had to get a permit from the.
You know, the timetable on that?
Well, we received the permit from the city, and now we're just waiting for the guys that are going to come to install it. And so they want to. The landlord wants to also put up the American flag. So we're just waiting for them to come to install it.
Will it be a formal flag raising ceremony or?
Flag raising, sir?
Yeah, just to put the flag outside.
No. There's going to be a ribbon cutting.
Right.
Okay.
For the consulate.
What's the timetable on that?
Well, that all depends on the Prime Minister.
Maybe it could be in time for independence 2024. Independence.
That would be nice.
Well, the Prime depends on the Prime Minister and Minister Johnson Smith will both be here. Yes, yes.
Well,
and I mean, definitely, if not before, by September when they're here for the UNGA.
right.
But it might be before. But you know, yeah.
Let me also detail what Robin said. You know, first I want to thank you for your excellent service as our Consul General. Your beautiful work, and hopefully leaving is not in a conversation no time soon. You know, so just want to be clear on that.
I'm tired.
Leaving the office of the Consul General is not in the conversation. Can you speak to that?
I'm tired. I'm tired. No.
Stop it.
All right. And believe it or not, so I brought you guys up and down the elevator, but there's secret entrances here.
Oh, I got a door.
Yes. We have. So if they're here, we just go down the stairs. See? Yeah. So that's what I do every day. All right. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the tour. Yeah. And I hope.
What's gonna be?
We're gonna enjoy the bonus there.
Okay.
There's somebody cheese to go with it, but that's okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes. And look at the wall space. We need artwork for the wall space, and yes. Yeah.
Artists to paint or?
Well, we need persons to hang their paintings. Yes, persons to hang their paintings. Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Showcasing Jamaica art.
Yeah, exactly.
Real good artists.
Giving them the platform.
Real good artists.
Exactly. So that's what you should do.
It looks different.
Thank you.
This is where the customers come.
So when the customers come in on this floor, they come this way, and then right at this window, they check in at this window. Their documents are checked. So all those folders are documents. So the documents are checked here, and then they come in here. All the chairs are in the and they come here and they wait for their names to be called. And the queuing system, you see we have the monitors up there. And on the queuing system, like you're at the motor vehicle, it says, Garvin Gray, window 1, please. And you get up and go to window 1. But, so here we have the cashier and then the windows that service everyone. Before we had only 2 windows. You see now we have 8. So we have 8 windows.
Come give her a hug. Goodbye.
Of course, my pleasure. My pleasure, yes. Huh? Okay, I'm to the restaurant. So we went to the restaurant? Okay. To the restaurant real quick. Okay, I will. Okay. Thank you. Of course. We try. Thank you. That'll be beautiful. We try. Yeah. You will call me later? Okay. All right. All right. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay. welcome.
Wrapping the tour.
Yes.
The great tour you've done very well.
I hope you like the space.
We love it.
We do. We've tried our best to make this space a true representation of us, a true representation of Jamaica.
Right.
It is important for our diasporan to recognize that this space is for them. It's not for us, it's for them. And we want them to enjoy this space.
It's also about legacy.
Absolutely,
Right.
absolutely, yeah.
Everybody come after that. I mean, a bigger space, cheaper price,
Yeah,
value for the Jamaican people.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So, and it's modern,
Yeah,
very fresh, very airy, very roomy. The space that we had at 767, the waiting area, you recall, was half this size. Now we can accommodate, at least 50 persons in this area. Before the waiting area, we could have only done like 15 persons. So I really want our diasporans to understand that, certainly for me, I have placed great emphasis into ensuring that selecting the space is something that they would be proud to call their own. And I would hope that we have accomplished that. And if not, then please forgive me. But yeah.
It speaks for itself. We just had a tour on the side. So it speaks for itself.
Yeah,
And
thank
the
you.
most important thing again is it's closer to public transportation.
Yes.
So
More
that's
accessible.
added value as well.
It's more accessible. And not only more accessible, I mean, even for permanent mission, the UN is right here. So now we can walk to the UN, right? Which is very, very important. It is important for us to be, within close proximity of the UN. So now we just walk over there to the UN.
Right.
Yes.
Well, all right, it's a wrap,
Yes.
okay?
Thank you so much.
right.
And get a picture of our out of many one people there. It truly means an awful lot to, they broke it and I fixed it. I put the crazy glue on there to put it together. Yes. Oh, my darling.